Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about 123.hp.com LaserJet download. Follow the steps now. To download drivers and software for your HP LaserJet printer, you can visit the official HP website. Here's how. 1. Go to 123.hp.com/laserjet on your web browser. 2. Enter your printer model number in the search box and click on Search. 3. Select your specific printer model from the search results. 4. On the printer support page, you'll find options to download drivers, software, and firmware updates for your printer. 5. Choose the appropriate operating system, Windows, Mac, etc., and follow the on-screen instructions to download the required files. 6. Once downloaded, install the drivers and software following the installation wizard. Make sure to download the drivers and software compatible with your operating system version and printer model for optimal performance.